Quickly draw you in here. Why is the Pakistani establishment and army so rattled, particularly after that Jafar Express incident, which is why we are seeing these attacks on the rise since that hijacking?
Well, these attacks are just now coming to the attention of the international media, especially Indian media. But this brutality of Pakistan Army has been going on since the 28th of March 1948, when they usurped the power of the Khan of Kalat, when they occupied Balochistan and started exploiting its territorial resources. And what is going on now is very, very precarious. You see, I am of the opinion that the time for peaceful protests in Balochistan is over. Now is the time to erect barricades and claim urban territorial gains and fight in unison with BLA and BLF. Unless the middle class, the urban middle class now stops to vacillate between हकूक की जंग और लापता अफराद को बाजियाब करो और इंसाफ दो, now there should be an outright call by Baloch Yekjehati Committee for independence. That is what is lacking, and I am really worried that if this hesitation, this reluctance of the Baloch civil society urban centers might prove to be lethal towards this immediate scenario where Azadi is like, we can see that Azadi का चिराग सामने नजर आ रहा है, लेकिन उस चिराग को जो ऑक्सीजन चाहिए है, the oxygen required for that flame to become into a big fire, that oxygen is lacking in the sense that the urban Baloch, urban population, though very bravely they are confronting the Pakistan military brutality, but they are still shying away from calling for an outright independence, call of outright independence, and the whole Baloch society in unison comes up and they go a general strike to ki hai. Lekin what is the purpose of the general strike? It's a protest general strike. No. We don't want a protest general strike. We want an independence general strike, an indefinite general strike, until and unless the Pakistani forces are completely wiped out of Balochistan, they withdraw and Balochistan gains its independence, which means cutting off electricity supplies to the chief of the corps commander's house, the headquarters of the military camps, the Balochistan assembly, the governor house, the chief minister house. All electricity and power and water supply should be cut off. Railway and transport should come to a standstill indefinitely to stop and prevent the troops movement, and all government employees, clerks, and junior officers working in administrative roles should start an indefinite pen down strike and sit at home. ये इनकलाब है, ये कोई प्रोटेस्ट नहीं है कि जी वो ऐसे हमारे साथ हो गया, लड़की रेप हो गई है तो जनाब इंसाफ चाहिए. और अभी भी BYC ने जो आज प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की है उसमें there are no signs that they are understanding the बारीकी of this situation, because they are still demanding कि सरफराज भुगटी and IG पुलिस के खिलाफ FIR काटी जाए. और ये काटा भाई, FIR काटने से मसला नहीं हल होगा, कोई और आ जाएगा IG. He will be replaced by another IG. The chief minister will be replaced by another chief minister. Last night there were rumors that Abdul Malik, who was a former chief minister, liberal left, center left kind of personality, might be sworn in as chief minister, but if he does so, that will be his political suicide. So I think we are at the cusp of revolution, provided the below civil society, human rights organizations, enforced disappearance के खिलाफ प्रोटेस्ट करने वाली organizations ये करें. हम इस वक्त भूल भलाइयों में हम पड़े हुए हैं. एक तरफ we are in a labyrinth where we cannot find a way towards final goal of independence. That is why some of our Baloch friends, they knock on the doors of United Nations. Some of our friends knock on the door of Pakistani Supreme Court. Some of our friends knock on the doors of the Parliament. Some of our Baloch friends appeal to the Chief of Army Staff and so on and so forth. That time has gone. Now it's the time for revolution. It's now or never.
All right. Let me quickly, in fact, take